Hey guys, it's me, Kalila. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you the outcome of my last retwist. It's been 4 weeks. I'll also show you how the twist held up after the shampoo. I did go ahead and part it into 4 quads and bundle it for the shampoo. And you guys know, like, I never feel my locks are clean. So I'll be using a little bit of Moisture Cleanse by Talia before I do my retwist. I've had this for a while, I've never used it, so I thought I'd go ahead and give it a try. So far I can't tell if it did anything, but we'll see. And then later in the video I'll show you guys my first attempt to a barrel twist. I originally wanted an invisible braid, but thought, hey, I have locks, let's try the barrel lock. So you guys, let's get right on into it. So you guys, this is the 2 locks that I took down in the previous video. I ended up just fully retwisting both of them. So you guys, let's get into this barrel lock. If you see that short lock right there, that is the lock that I actually cut in the previous video. But let's get into this barrel lock. From the looks of the barrel locks, you just wrap it around. I didn't wrap mine a lot because I did not want it to be a super thick barrel lock, because I still wanted it to be flat like a invisible braid. So I think it looks good. I think I did all right. You guys tell me what you think. Have you did a barrel lock with your locks yet? With your micro locks yet? Because usually barrel locks are done with more of a traditional lock. So, you know, I still wanted to try it. So. I ended up using those rubber bands that can pop really easy. I purposely use those because I don't like using rubber bands on my locks, especially after a shampoo. But I went ahead and used them. They did pop, so I had to go back and put a regular rubber band on them. But yeah, y'all. So I went to sleep like this, and then I woke up the next day, put some jewelry in my hair, and I hope you guys like it. I do want to thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, y'all. Bye.